My name is Rachel. I'm a STEM program coordinator at Cape Cod Community College. One of the projects I work on is the Cape Cod Regional STEM Network. And I'm excited to share with you in this video our relaunched education station, which has STEM materials that we are lending out to teachers in the Cape Cod region, which includes Plymouth and Wareham as well as the islands. So I'm going to show you in this video how to use the new website, what features are on the website, and I will highlight a few items that I think you'll really want to check out from our lending library that are waiting to get out into classrooms or after-school programs on Cape Cod. So some of these items might look familiar if you have been following the Cape Cod STEM Network for some time. We have lots of new items, and our website here is new, and the way of checking things out is new. But some of these things folks maybe have checked out before. So our lending library link, which is available here, will also be on our website. For now, you can find it on this page here. And when you open up the website, anyone is able to see the items that are available in our lending library. So if you scroll down here, there's about 4 pages. So I think we have something like more than 65 items here that you will definitely want to take a look at. And when you see something that you want to know more about or that you might want to check out, such as this sea perch kit here, you can click on it, and then if you click more info, that will take you to the link for where the item was purchased from, so you can see the website page, which will have more details than our page here. So you'll also see this calendar, and if the item is reserved by somebody else, it will show up on this calendar, and then you know that you won't be able to check that item out while it is reserved. So let me find an example here. For example, this IQ parts I know have been checked out. So if you click on these IQ parts, you can see that they are reserved, they've been checked out, so you'll want to find another item to check out instead. So when you want to submit a request to reserve an item, you click on this button here. You'll enter some basic information, including the number of students that will use the item and agreeing to our terms, and you'll submit your request. Once you submit this, we get an email that there's been a new request, and then I will follow up with you to arrange a time for you to come pick up the item. So all of the items are located here at Cape Cod Community College, so we do need folks to come here to pick up the items. That being said, if you are located somewhere that is quite far from Four Seas, just send me an email. In the past, we have worked out other ways to get people items from the lending library. Great. So let's see. On this page, we also will find here a button that says recommend an item. So here is where we want to hear from you about what items you would like to see. So the idea is that if this is up all year, when it comes time for us to order something new from the library, hopefully we have a long list from you all of what you would like to see in there, things that you would want to check out and use in your classroom. Lastly, you will see at the bottom of the page this button here that says STEM Professionals Virtual Visits. I will talk about that in a moment because it's really exciting, but I do want to just take a second and highlight a few of the items up here that I would love to see checked out this fall from the lending library. So in addition to the sea perch, which I think is great, we also have sets of LabQuest Vernier interfaces. These can be used with something like a conductivity probe or a photo gate. Maybe because I'm a former chemistry, physics, high school teacher, I've used these before. I think they are really great ways to collect data and do hands-on labs in your classes. Let's see. This is a box of Spheros, they're called, which are programmable robots. Probably about the middle school age would want to use these. They are super cool. Let's see, what else is in here that I want to highlight? Lots of VEX robotics materials, which you're welcome to use for a VEX team or in a regular science class. There is an entire classroom kit here for VEX Go, which is for about 3rd grade students. So we would love to get this into a classroom for students to be using in a younger age to get them ready for VEX. We also have a lot of these engineering kits, which contain everything that you need to do a really cool hands-on engineering activity. So lastly, this button here, STEM Professionals Virtual Visits. We are excited to offer this through Pathful Connect, which is an organization that you are welcome to Google and learn more about, but they help us to set up these kinds of virtual visits. When I first learned about this, I was like, wait, what? You guys will help us do what? Because it really is remarkable what we're able to do with the help of Pathful Connect. And that is that we can connect you to STEM professionals for whatever your unique curriculum needs are. So maybe you have students working on a project and they're going to do an authentic presentation and you want professionals to serve as a panel that they present to. Or maybe a student is working on a project and you're looking to connect them with a mentor. Maybe you want to host a career panel or a panel on a certain topic related to your curriculum. These are all kind of personalized sessions that Pathful Connect can help set up. So to request a virtual visit, we'll hope that you will do it through this education station. And there's some information for you to enter here about what you would like in a virtual visit from professional or STEM professionals. It can be definitely more than one. And when you fill this out, we will take that information, put together a request and an account for you and get back to you about that visit. So that is really exciting, and I hope that we have some Cape Cod teachers this year that will take advantage of that opportunity. I think it's really cool. I would love to hear from you if you have questions about it. I'm definitely here to help get those set up for you. Excellent. So that is a little bit of an overview of our education station, which includes the lending library and the professionals visits. We do have Massachusetts STEM Week is coming up October 16th to 20th. It would be great to get some of these materials out and in the classrooms for STEM Week. And lastly, we'll hope that if you haven't yet connected with us on social media, you'll do so. We love to share other STEM happenings and opportunities in the Cape Cod region. So please follow us to stay in touch if you have not. So I look forward to seeing your requests come in from the lending library, and definitely if you have questions, comments, please reach out. I would love to talk to you more about the lending library and the education station.